So this question, we want to find a plus b. We are given our function f of x. We want to find f inverse, which is this one. So now let's see f of x. Let's analyze this one. F of x is 1 minus root of x plus 2. Now looking at this one, we know the domain of f is going to be what? X greater equals to minus 2, right? This is the domain of f. Why? Because what is inside the even root cannot be negative, right? Now, if I want to know the range, we can find the range easily. What will be the range of f? The range of f is going to be from 1. We know that x plus 2, this is always greater than 0. So if you take the minus of it, it's going to be less than equals to 0. Then 1 minus this is going to be less than equals to 1, yes? So this is our function. So this is like y is less than equals to 1. So the range is going to be from minus infinity to 1 close. Or you can try to sketch this graph of f. You get this is the range. But now, let's see, why do we need the domain? Because why I'm trying to find the range is simply because look at this condition. This condition is going to be the range of what? It's going to be the range of f, because I know that the range of f is the same thing as the what? As the domain of f inverse, right? Okay. So let's try to solve this one now. Now let me write this clearly here. To give more space, I have f of x equals to 1 minus, but I know x must be greater than what? Minus 2, because this is coming from the domain of f, even though it's not given. So I will say y is 1 minus, I still have this condition. Now I need to what? I need to solve for x in terms of y. So I will just do some translation here. So this will be, and this will be 1 minus y, right? Now we can square both sides. If you square both sides, you will have x plus 2 all squared is equals to 1 minus y all squared. This is going to be absolute value of x plus 2. And this is what? 1 minus y all squared, right? But we already have a condition that x is greater than what? Minus 2. So if x is greater than minus 2, it means this is going to be positive. So I can remove the absolute value without any problem. So this will just be x plus 2. It's 1 minus y all squared. Now, what is x? So x is what? 1 minus y all squared minus 2. Now we can expand. This is 1 minus 2y plus y squared minus 2. So x is nothing but, you can rearrange this. So this is just going to be y squared minus 2y. Then 1 minus 2, it's minus 1, right? So now you can interchange x and y. So let me use this symbol, it means interchange x and y. So y now, it's what? It's just x squared minus 2x minus 1. See? So it means the f inverse of x is going to be x squared minus 2x minus 1. So we need a condition here. Which condition are we going to put here? It's going to be the domain of f inverse, which is actually the range of what? The range of f. And already we found the range of f, which is minus infinity to 1. So we can just say x is less than equals to 1. And that is why you see this condition here. So this is the f inverse. Now we have to compare it with what we are given. Look at what we are given. We're given that what? That f inverse of x is x squared plus ax plus b. So what is a? A is the coefficient of x. So if you compare with this, you will see that A is nothing but what? A is nothing but -2, and B is nothing but -1. So therefore, A plus B is going to be -3. And that is it.